If you would like to know more about Lord Shri Krishna, please subscribe to our channel and do not forget to press the bell icon.
भोक्तारम यज्ञ तपसाम सर्वलोक महेश्वरम सुहृदिम सर्वभूतानाम ज्ञात्व माम शांतिम रच्यति. I'll take the last line. ज्ञात्व in Hindi means ज्ञान, जानना, ज्ञात करना, to know. ज्ञात्व माम, who knows me, शांतिम, peace, रच्यति, I give him peace. Today what is the whole world doing? Why is UN there? Looking out for formula for peace. Please don't look out formula for peace among nations, because nations are made of individuals. Till the individual is not peaceful, how can the society be peaceful? It is not possible. So Prabhupada used to say, they talk of international brotherhood. How can you talk of international brotherhood without a single fatherhood? It will be cousinhood. Right? How can it be brotherhood? Valid or not? If you talk of brotherhood, there has to be a single fatherhood, or there will be cousinhood. And in cousins you have fights. He's taken away my property, he's taken my property, you keep fighting. So Krishna says, Gyatva shantim, Gyatva mam shantim rachyati. If you have this knowledge, you'll get peace. Because I told you in the initial stage, we started day before yesterday when I told you, knowledge gives you happiness, and that's actually the goal of life. Please keep repeating this. This is very important. Your goal of life is not to become a president of a company or a CEO of a company or to own a company. You want to do that because by that you think you'll become happy. Then the goal is happiness. Other things are means. So don't make the means as goals. You'll be frustrated throughout your life. Be very clear, keep it very clear in your mind that the goal of every living entity, I'm not talking about human beings also, I'm not talking of dogs also, of any creature. If dog feels hot, where does he go? Where he can get some shade, some cool. If he feels thirsty, what is he look for? Water. What will happen after he drinks water? Satisfied. He becomes satisfied, he'll become peaceful, because the thirst will not bothering him. So he'll become peaceful and happy. So goal is happiness. You grow a tree in a place where it is shady. Where will it grow towards? Where there is sunlight. Because it survives through sunlight. Very simple. So in the same way, don't please forget this. In all these 8 days, why are we here? It's not bad to be selfish. But first you have to understand the self. Then you can become really selfish. And when you become selfish, actually you will do great wonders for everyone. Today we do not know how to be happy, and we are passing the knowledge to others. My father told me, I said, in your will actually, you will give me all his suffering, because throughout your life, what did you do? You were never happy. Because what you did not do, you want me to do. Right, Prabhu? That's what the parents do mostly. So, मजाक में हिंदी में कहते हैं, आपके धरोहर में दुख था तो आप मुझे धरोहर में क्या दोगे? दुख क्या दे सकते हो? आपने कभी खुशी तो देखी नहीं. You have never seen happiness in your life. You have collected only suffering. That's why by the end of your life you are frustrated. In India we use a very strong word, satya gaya, है ना? He's gone crazy. This old man has gone crazy. What's happened to him? He's not been able to get his desires fulfilled. That has created problems in him. Do you want to go on to that stage? I never wanted to be like that. So for that you have to study. Krishna says, then he says in 16th chapter, 23rd verse, please listen to it. He who discards scriptural injunctions and acts according to his own whims attains neither perfection nor happiness nor the supreme destination. And what are we doing? Scriptural injunctions? What is that? And how do we act? On our own whims and fancies. I think you should do like this. I think you should do like that. In Mandir also you do the same thing. Everywhere you come you do the same thing, na Prabhu? What will happen? Krishna very clearly says, that's why it is very important to read Shastra. But how many Shastra should I read? No problems. Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The essence of all knowledge.